Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the coil packs on this BMW 118i. So this is a 1 series BMW and the year is 2011. And the reason why we're going to change the coil packs is that the engine is misfiring. So we did the diagnostic and it came out that 3 of the cylinders are misfiring. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to remove the pollen filter housing from here. And then we'll remove the plenum cover. There we go. So that's the pollen filter fully removed. Right, next we're going to remove this seal and the covers, side covers. So this is the brake fluid bottle cover, and then this cover, 2 clips on each end. There we go. Right, so just gonna disconnect these harness connectors. One here. These are the air quality, the fume sensor here, and this one is for the bonnet alarm and the warning for the bonnet. There we go. We're just gonna pull these tabs to the side. There are a couple of more bolts which we need to remove. One here. This side bolt is missing. Next what we're going to do is we're going to pull this harness from here. So just going to cut the cable ties. It's supposed to be secured by 3 clips, but the clips are broken here, so it's secured by the cable ties on each side. There we go. We're just gonna bring it forward. That is. And now we're gonna pull this fuel pipe out of this plenum cover. There we go. And now we can lift and pull the plenum cover off. Yeah, there are a couple of more harnesses here. There we go. So now we can remove the plenum cover. Right, so just gonna leave the harnesses and the pipe as it is. Right, next we're gonna remove the engine cover to get to the coil packs. So there are 3 5mm hex bolts which we're gonna remove. So we're using the 5mm hex. So 2 bolts at the front. There. One at the back here. Just gonna undo the coil cap, and now we're in a position to remove the engine cover to the side in this manner. Right, here we go. We've got the full exposure to the coil pack. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So before we do any further work, we're gonna put the oil cap back onto the engine in case if we drop any tools or any screws inside here. Right, here we got the replacement coil packs, 4 of them, and the make is Bosch, and the part number is 0221 504 471. Right, so the way we're gonna remove the old coil packs is we're gonna pull this tab out and that's going to release the harness connector. And then what we can do is we could just pull it in this manner. You can see why the car's been misfiring. They are in really bad condition, all burnt out here, and the previous mechanic had to super glue this rubber sleeve. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the old coil pack to the side. Here comes the new coil pack. So before we fit it, we're just gonna match the part with the old one. There we go. Perfect. It's a like for like part. So just gonna insert it back in. There we go. Perfect. So just gonna put the connector back into the slot, and we're gonna push the tab down to secure it. There we go. Perfect. So that's the coil pack number 1 replaced. Right, so next we're gonna replace the coil pack number 2. Again, we're gonna do the same. Just gonna pull the tab towards us, and then going to undo the connector. Just gonna pull it to the side, and you just pull the coil pack towards you, and it just pulls out. Right, here we go. That's the coil pack number 2. Just gonna put it to the side. There comes the new one. So just gonna slide it in here in this manner. There we go. Then just gonna slide in the connector. I'm gonna press the tab down. Perfect. So that's the coil pack number 2. Nicely been replaced. Next is the coil pack number 3, which is situated here. There we go. So just gonna put the connector to the side and going to pull the coil pack out. There we go. Right, here comes the coil pack number 3. Just going to push the connector in, and then going to push the tab. There we go. And then I'm going to push the tab down. That's the coil pack number 3 pulling home. And then the 4th one is at the back here. So just gonna pull it in this manner, and then I'm going to pull it upwards. There we go. That's the coil pack number 4. Here comes the coil pack. Just gonna push it all the way in. And then we're gonna push the tab down to secure it. So that's all 4 coil packs nicely been replaced. Right, now that we have changed the coil packs, we're gonna start the car up and see the difference. I've just started the car up. It's running a lot more smoother. There isn't any vibration from the engine, and all 4 cylinders are firing up nicely. So we're going to put all the components back in the same manner that we removed them. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the engine cover back on, but before we do that, we're going to turn the engine off. Right, here comes the engine cover. So just gonna slide it in from under here. this manner. And you also have to remove the oil filler cap so that we can make the engine cover sit flush. There we go. Just like that. So that's the engine cover nicely sitting on the engine. Then is the engine oil cap. Next is 3 bolts securing the engine cover. 2 at the front. 1 at the back. Perfect. Next we're going to fit the plenum cover. So the way plenum cover fits in is like this. And we're going to slide in the fuel pipe in here. Like that. Just like that. Then, right, so just going to fit the cable ties to secure this trim. That's because the clips are broken. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. It's not going to go anywhere now. Just going to cut the excess off. Next is the plenum cover seal. Then we're going to connect these harnesses on each side. So this one is for the bonnet switch, the button here. Just going to push it all the way in here. Right, so next we're going to fit these covers, 1 on each side. This one there. Then this cover on this side. So we're gonna fit this harness connector back in here. Perfect. And the cover goes here. Perfect. Then it's the coil and filter housing. This goes in. In this manner. Perfect. 4 bolts at the top. Of the plenum. And 2 at the bottom here. And then 1 goes here. And 1 on this side. Now that we have inserted the bolts, we're going to secure them with the A12 socket. That's all the top 4 bolts on the coil and filter housing fully secured. Now we're going to secure the bottom 2. There we go, friends, job done. That's 4 new coil packs nicely been fitted on this BMW 118i. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.